In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove your number and how to delete your profile on Truecaller. First, open browser on your mobile or on your PC. I'm going to use PC. Search unlist Truecaller number. Okay, unlist phone number, click on it. And here, if you go down, click on no, I want to unlist. Perfect. Here, you will put your number. And just mark this checkbox, I'm not a robot. Okay, I don't use this number anymore. Okay, and click unlist. You are a Truecaller user, you must deactivate your account. Okay, so we need to first deactivate the account, all right? So let's get back to Truecaller application, open it. Click on your profile picture in the corner. Click settings here and click privacy center, and all the way down you will see deactivate. Click on it and click yes. Click yes again. So we have deactivated the number. If you go back on unlisting, click no, I want to unlist. Put your number here, click I'm not a robot, I don't use this number anymore, and click unlist. They will send you the password. So they just send me this password. Okay. Copy and paste this password and click unlist. Your phone number was unlisted. And that's it. This is how can you remove your number, and this is how can you delete your profile on Truecaller. Guys, thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button. If you want to support this channel, subscribe the channel, and see you later. Have a nice day. Goodbye.